personal injury case is when you have been injured and as a result of the fault of someone else, and as a result of that accident, you are injured. So it requires, number one, that it be the fault of someone else, and further, that as a direct result of that fault in the accident, you received an injury. A wrongful death is a case that is brought on behalf of the family of someone that has been killed in an accident when that accident was the fault of someone else. We handle personal injury cases on a contingent fee basis. That simply means that we recover our fee only if we are able to recover funds for you. Normally, a contingent fee is 1/3 of the amount that we recover. It can go anywhere from a few months to several years, depending on whether or not the defendant is fighting liability, claiming it wasn't their fault, or if they're fighting the amount that they think you're due, then you'll probably have to end up in a jury trial. And in our local courts, that can be 2 or 3 years before you get to trial. What a case is worth depends on a lot of things. Number one, it depends on whether there's clear-cut liability, or you can make a clear-cut showing that it's the defendant's fault. If you can do that, then the second thing that people use to evaluate cases is how much medical expenses you've incurred, how much you've lost as far as wages, have you lost the use of any part of your body, and then the long-term effects of the accident. Is the doctor going to say that you're disabled to some extent? So all those things go into what a case is worth. In a wrongful death case, we look at how much the person was earning, how much the family members are going to lose in support, the loss of the love and companionship. So there's all kinds of factors that go into determining what a case is worth. Well, we've handled cases, explosions at steel mills, wrongful death cases as a result of trucking accidents, automobile accidents, trip and fall cases, the whole range of personal injury cases we've handled. My partner Larry Rogers and I came with a lot of experience. He was a former chief of the sheriff's department. I was the Porter County prosecuting attorney, and we brought that experience when we started the practice. So we've been a law firm that has been engaged in the courtroom and in jury trials and in the trial practice for years, and we have years of experience of handling injury cases.